focus now to Hyderabad, where in a shocking case of blatant sexism, girl students in the Maulana Azad National University of Hyderabad are not allowed to leave the hostel premises post 6:30 p.m. They also cannot use the university's library. And not just this, in addition to all this, the girls must submit a letter to the management if they really want to step out of their hostels after 6:30 p.m. So that is what they say, but this is how the students now are reacting on this diktat.
आप तो बताएंगे कि क्या इश्यूज फेस कर रही हैं आप कैंपस में?
जैसा कि आप पिछले कई दिनों से जान ही रहे हैं कि मानो में प्रोटेस्ट्स हो रहे हैं, तो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन तो है ही, लेकिन अब बॉयज़ भी हम पे, अब तो लड़कियों पे चीखने पे उतर आए हैं। हमने एक बात की थी कि राइट टू इक्वालिटी, हम सबको सेम हुकूक दिए जाए। जैसे हमें पहले लाइब्रेरी के लिए हमने बोला था थोड़ी टाइमिंग बढ़ा दी जाए, लेकिन उस पर गौर नहीं किया गया। हमने ऐसा बस इतना ही मांगा था, उस पर बोला गया कि नहीं, ये लड़कियां कुछ पिंजरा तोड़ के लिए बोल रहे हैं। हम ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं बोल रहे थे, हमें टाइमिंग चाहिए थी लाइब्रेरी एक्सेस करने के लिए।
And Imran also with us live, getting us more details. Now, Imran, it's hard to believe that this is 21st century India and something as bizarre as this is really happening. But what really is the university saying for putting out these bizarre diktats?
Actually, the university is not backing the girl students. The university, in fact, is intimidating them. As we can see, most of the students we spoke to were even refused to come on camera because there was so much threat and intimidated. Just 2 days before, like a mob of 100 students burst into the girls' hostel and even threatened them, saying that people who are demanding rights should go out or leave the campus and leave this institution and go out and demand it. And in fact, they were even threatened, intimidated, and called vulgar language was used against them for asking just very simple rights. What the girl students are asking for extension of time for them to go to libraries and just within the campus.
Okay, then Imran, we await more details from you on that story. For the moment, many thanks.